Today we are visiting one of the most booming cities in the world when it comes to tourism. That is, of course, Bangkok. On Kuso Road. And it's definitely like a big spot, Bangkok in particular. I think it's supposed to be a lot bigger at night, but we're here during the day and it's just people asking you to buy stuff all the time. The foot massages, regular massages, tuk-tuks. It's crazy. No, thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Where are you from?
No, thank you. Going to 7-Eleven now or trying to find one, which is definitely what Shul's most excited for, I think, on this entire world trip. She found the grilled cheese sandwiches. So many. And now we just wait for the toasty. I got a pulled chicken and cheesy cream one, and you got a ham and cheese one. In total, it came up to 56 Thai baht, which is €1.52, I think. 54 cents. Always good to try the traditional food once you're out traveling. Very good. We just picked up a bottle of water because we're going to be out and about for the day in the heat. Water was 7 Thai baht, which works out to, I think, less than 10 cents. I could honestly watch the traffic in Bangkok all day. Everybody just goes and tries to filter their own way. There's no lights.
It's like Mario Kart, but
yeah,
more dangerous.
Big zebra crossing. No cars stop. No lights. You just have to wait for a break, start running, and then some cars stop. So you got someone waiting over here on the far side. Go on, lass. You got it. No. Poor lady's been stuck there for a while. At the Chinatown market now, during the daytime, and there's not that many tourists. The smells are sensational though with the food. People are loving being out here for food. Delivery. Here. It's mental. It's just go on for days, man. How much stuff do people have to sell?
We've been walking about Chinatown, mostly the food part just now, and now we're at this sort of temple. We're on the search for mango juice. We're not going to find that there. It's overwhelmingly beautiful.
Yeah, like you smell everything, you see everything, you hear everything. So we just got mosquito spray for 75 baht, and then we got also just another water. So it's hot, it's hot.
You need this even during the day.
Made our way from Chinatown to just now a spot next to the river. Doesn't quite remind me of the Atlantic. Slightly different color. Don't think we'll be going for a swim anytime soon. Thank you. Alright, we got our dinner. She did warn us about this one being spicy. Can't be too bad, can it?
Oh my god, your eyes.
Are they got bad?
That is really spicy. Oh my god. Actually, I can handle the spice for you now, Paddy.
Oh!
You guys.
But it's really nice. There's a good kick to it, but it's good, it's good. We've been walking our way back and there's a big road closed, so we just have to detour. We've ended up in a nice little enclosed park. Very cute.
Paddy needs to poop.
I gotta poop. I do gotta poop. I'm just hoping it's not because I had some water or something like that. I'll keep you updated. One of the other best things about Bangkok, I'm like, I feel so sexy. All the tuk-tuk drivers pull over on the side of the road. They're like, oh, you want to come? Where are you from?
Cool man, cool man.
Cool man, cool man.
Nice smile, nice smile. All to him.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Here we got the beautiful King's Palace. Very nice. Not to be confused with the Jade Palace of Abbey Leaks, which does a banging foreign one, but King's Palace.
Panda reference.
No, I'm not making a Kung Fu Panda reference. Not yet. Quick stop at 7-Eleven. Got ourselves a large bottle of cola. Was it a liter?
Yeah.
Liter of cola, and it cost us 33 baht. Weather got a whole lot worse. People are selling us umbrellas and ping pong shows. It's about the only things we can buy now. How's the weather? You liking it?
I love it.
We've just found a spot. I got myself a Thai beard singer. We found a nice restaurant with a lot of ambiance.
Is that music on the background, the ambiance?
Okay, we've just ordered our dinner. The price is as follows. What do you think?
On the dinner? It looks really good.
Probably the best update so far. Not only has my backpack been found, but it's been sent to Bangkok from China, and it is hopefully ready to be picked up before we leave Bangkok. So, come on. We ended up at an Irish pub because it's got the same name as me, which is kind of cool. With Shul, she got a Blue Lagoon. I got a pint of Guinness, and it cost more than our dinner did. It was a bit of fun to have a Guinness in Thailand, and we did it for the TikTok. Cheers. Guinness, Blue Lagoon, Shul. I'll have a good pint. We have probably one of the most exciting days today. Different reasons for me and Shul, but you're gonna like this one.
We're going to the dog cafe now, which is so good.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
it's pretty cool.
They are so good.
We got the different kind of dogs out. Woof woof. Hey! Hey! Hello. It works out to about 350 baht for this, but they're so cute. Ja, lekker, lekker. It's 100 baht for a bag of treats. That was a lot more full.
Is this guy
Giving out a lot. Here he comes. There they come. There they're all here. 100 baht, well spent. So the guys with the scarves are allergic to the treats that you can buy, but yeah, so the staff make sure that they get plenty of the other treats. All the corgis at the small bowl. So it comes with little drinks. I got the dog in town iced coffee, and you got the Thai tea. You can see that the staff who work here love the dogs, and the dogs love the staff as well. So we left, and we had to say goodbye. We had to say goodbye. Really was not wanted to say goodbye, but it's for a good reason. Problems are over. Backpack has came to Thailand. We were able to pick it up just before we were going to leave Bangkok, so everything's turned out pretty good.
Never seen so many tags. Rush, rush, rush.
Been able to change finally in some fresh clothes. Got the long trousers on so we can go visit some temples.
Spicy salmon, I think.
Spicy salmon. Yeah. So we got two of these at 30 baht each. One is crab sticks and the other one is salmon. We had some of these from before we came in Eindhoven, and they were just not half as good as this. This is actually insane. Crazy thing is that we're walking to a temple now, and we're passing just another beautiful building, which I assume is a temple as well.
Could be that we need to go there too. I haven't looked up the third one. Could be that one.
Could be that one.
So the temple we just walked past, I did a quick Google, and it is actually the one that we're supposed to visit. So we're here now. It was 100 baht to get in.
Oh my god, it's huge. That really puts the spire to shame.
This is huge.
It's massive. That was honestly so cool. The size of them statues were huge. We did also see a few monks. Didn't obviously film them because I feel like that's probably very inappropriate, but so cool to see.
We've now entered another temple place.
Bigger.
Definitely bigger. Also more expensive. 300 baht. Also, we've been told it was closed about 60 times. There's a big scam with especially tuk-tuk drivers, but anyone that will tell you that the temples are closed. They're not. Just Google, just go, just see. If it's closed, you can't go in. If it's open, you can't go in.
safety protocols, man. We've been walking a long way now. We have not had food since our...
We're hungry.
We're going back to 7-Eleven, get another snack while Shul decides where we eat tonight. Hey, a wild dog. Okay, we got the little snack. Bigger water this time.
Rice burger.
Ooh.
It's amazing.
It tastes very weird.
Final night in Bangkok. Going out for dinner, and then we'll see where the night brings us. We got some orange juice, and chicken spring rolls. It's really good. Our original pad thai, which is wrapped in an egg. This is the dish. I'll give it like a sip.
We're meeting up with a friend from Thailand now, so we're gonna go probably have a few drinks with him. So that'll be the last video for the night. So, doei.